Hello, little friends. I'm so happy you're here today, ready to learn and have fun with me. Are you excited? I sure am. My name is Cumulus, and I'm a happy, fluffy cloud floating in the big blue sky. I love to drift above the world, watching everything below. Do you want to know a super cool secret? I have a very important job up here. I can show you how water travels all around our world. It's called the water cycle. Water is always on the move, going on adventures from the ground to the sky and back again. Are you ready? Let's float along together and see where water goes. First, let's talk about evaporation. Imagine the bright, warm sun shining down on lakes, rivers, and even tiny puddles after it rains. The sun is like a big, warm hug for the water. The sun makes the water warm and giggly, so tiny drops jump up into the air. These little water drops are called water vapor. They're so tiny you can't even see them. It's like a magic trick the sun does every day. This is called evaporation. Can you say evaporation? Evaporation. Great job. You're already becoming a water cycle expert. Next comes condensation. All the tiny water drops float up, 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 right where I live. They travel high into the sky, riding on the wind. When they get high in the sky, the air is cool and breezy. The drops cuddle together and make a fluffy cloud. Just like me. It's like a big cozy sleepover for water drops. This snuggly cloud making is called condensation. Doesn't that sound cozy? The water drops love to snuggle and form big puffy clouds. Now let's talk about precipitation. Sometimes the cloud gets very, very full of water drops. It feels heavy, almost like carrying a backpack full of toys. The cloud can't hold all the water forever. When there's too much water, the drops fall back down to the ground as rain, or sometimes snow, or even hail. Rain helps flowers bloom, snow makes everything white and sparkly, and hail is like little balls of ice falling from the sky. Isn't that amazing? That's called precipitation. Can you say precipitation? Precipitation. Hooray! You're doing fantastic. Last is collection. All the water that falls goes into rivers, lakes, and oceans. It splashes and flows, joining other water drops on their journey. It even soaks into the ground to help plants grow tall and green. Trees, flowers, and grass all need water to live and grow. The water is ready for its next big adventure with the sun. That's collection, where water gathers together again. Isn't that amazing? The water cycle never stops. It keeps going and going. So remember, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Water is always moving, with a little help from the sun, the sky, and clouds like me. Every drop of water you see is on a big adventure, traveling all around our wonderful world. Next time you see a puddle or a raindrop, you'll know it's just part of the water's big, happy journey. Maybe you'll even spot me, Cumulus, floating above, helping the water along its way. Thanks for learning with me, Cumulus. Keep looking up, and maybe you'll spot me floating by. Remember, you're part of the water cycle too. Every time you splash in a puddle or watch the rain fall. Bye-bye, friends. See you in the sky. Keep smiling and exploring the wonders of our world.